Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. You are here for the finished Ganni top. Let me get up and show you. I have some pictures and then we'll talk through the process. Okay, so this is how the top is. This is where it hits me, right above the hips. That's the back, so that is the poplin part. I will always have to wear it with a tank top because I don't like that risk. I don't want to be too risque. These are the tubes. They came out a little wider than I anticipated, but that's fine. And then I used a little bit of the poplin just to make like a bias binding for my sleeve, and okay, so in the previous video, I told you about the process of hacking my pattern. So I would suggest, if you didn't see my previous video, go and check it out. But as you can see, there is no dart in the front. There's only some darts like right here at the shoulder. And yeah, so it was pretty, as soon as I had the pattern where I wanted to be, everything else was easy because it was just easy sewing. The only thing with this fabric, it is a poplin cotton or cotton poplin, and even though you iron it, it acts just like linen. So it always looks very wrinkly and worn, but I mean, it's a cute fit. And I'm very happy. Let me move these. These are for the next video. So it's a cute fit. I'm very, very happy. So I did mention that this is the MCCall 7542. And something that is really, that comes with the fact that you are getting into sewing or you're sewing, is that you start to look at garments as pattern pieces. And so if you have a bodice block, some sleeves, you can make this. You don't have to have the MCCall. You can recognize this top in any pattern that you may have, and that is the nice thing about being able to sew. Of course, I want to preface this by saying that I do respect the designer's work, and so when I do these recreation, I try to do something that is of inspired by them, but ultimately deviates from what they have. So in this case, my sleeves are different from the designer. She has these balloon sleeves, 3/4 with an elastic, with the elastic at the end of the sleeve. I didn't do that because that is hers, and so I did it. I did the sleeves just like this, and to make mine a little different. And I think I'm not sure if I find some more fabric in my stash, because I did organize the stuff, and I'm not really purchasing. I shouldn't lie. Anyway, so I was thinking that if I do come across another type of cotton viscose fabric in my stash, then I'll make another one, because I really like the fit. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Have a great day. Bye.